Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at the Holman garden light and Wi-Fi controller together with this Holman spotlight value pack, and let's see how they works together. Now there is also an app that you need to download so that you can control directly from your device. So here I have downloaded an app. So once you download the app, you can tap on add device, and then you can choose RGB garden light. And then we choose the Wi-Fi, put in the Wi-Fi password, and then tap on the next button. Okay, so we're just gonna bring our attention back to this controller unit. Okay, so here is the unit itself. Currently it is not plugged in, so we need to plug it in. And there's some quick instruction manual in this box, user guide, showing you a quick setup. There's a small diagram so you can connect the controller unit to the light. So I've got a setup light right here, and you can connect it to spotlight, path light, and so on. So inside this Holman spotlight value pack, lights here. So got the different lights. There's also the extension cable, and you got 4 set of spotlight. Now the spotlight have long cable that you can attach to. Okay, so we've got this extension. It plugs right into this box right here, and then out of this is this little guide that connects to the spotlight right here. So we connect it to the spotlight with this connector right here. Okay, once it is plugged into the power source, we can connect the device to the controller unit. Okay, so once it is connected, you can see the lighting will be shown here, the Holman Wi-Fi controller unit. So here I can change the color by simply changing this color wheel, and my light will changes the color. You can increase or decrease the brightness. You can also change the color here as well, the contrast. And finally we can change the wheel color. And essentially that is the whole setup there. You can continue to extend more lighting. So if you've got more spotlight like this, you can just hook up into the cables, and that will continue to extend out further and further. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.